What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy JP, the install guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got 2018 Jeep Renegade, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install your own. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing. This is what we do here. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related, that's what the channel is about. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing you want to do is take out this bezel part. You want to use your nylon panel removal tool, and unfortunately we're going to have to try to get in here and pry up against the dash. Now this dash is a little bit soft, but it's also rigid all at the same time, but you still want to be careful so we don't dent anything. There's a clip right there. There's a clip right there. I believe there's one on the bottom. Uh-oh, that one popped back in. Alright. Held in by clips. And now we have these torques. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and take those out. Now we just want to push this down, pull that up. Okay, then we want to release this. Alright, so here on the test bench we have the dash kit. It comes in 3 pieces, one front bezel and 2 side pieces. Now of course you're gonna have to put 2 screws on the left, 2 screws on the right to mount it, but I'm gonna show you how I actually mounted this in. It's very simple. So first thing you want to do is you want to actually put the radio inside the dash kit and have it go all the way face down. Then what I did is I kind of turn it on its side to where we still have it flush right here. And then I took the bracket and I put the bracket on the radio, and then you want it to go inside the little hole on the side of the bracket, because this is going to come with its own 4 different clips that you're going to put on here. But without the clips, we can see what it looks like in the most flush state by putting it in flush to the front of the radio, the dash kit bezel, and then going through those holes. So now what I did is I took one of the screws with my screwdriver, put it in that hole, and then just kind of slightly let up so I can actually screw it in, because this right here, as you can see, is covering up that hole completely, and this one was just hard to get to. But once I put the screw right there, I was able to drop it down and screw that screw in. That way when we go in to mount this back inside the dash, we should be able to mount that in perfectly. And then when we put the little white clips that came with the radio, it should snap in just about as flush as it can get. So in order to get these mounting holes right here to line up properly on the radio, we are going to have to do a little bit of trimming. There's going to be just this top part, that top part, that part, and that part. So we're going to go ahead and use our aerosol to cut that down, and then hopefully that makes that fit a lot better. Alright, so we got everything cut, mounted, wired up, and if it's your first time here, you're probably wondering why didn't we actually go over the wiring part. Well, here at this channel we mainly do radio removal and install videos, and at this point in time we probably have over 350 plus videos, and I didn't want to go over the wiring every single time because it's pretty much the same every single time, as long as you buy the aftermarket wire harness, because the aftermarket wire harness's job is to transform all of your factory wire colors to your aftermarket wire colors, so it makes installation easy as possible. Now if you don't know what those colors are, don't worry, I do have one video showing you what the aftermarket wire colors are that will be linked in the description, and the car should be popping up in the corner. But I've also taken it a step further, and I started to make an introduction to car audio class. So whether you are a beginner in car audio, you've been out of it for a while and you're trying to get back into, or maybe you're inspiring to be an installer, those courses are going to be for you, and that information will be available soon at jptheinstallguy.com. So what we want to do now is go ahead and get all this stuff plugged in to the radio, get it pushed in, check everything, and then we're gonna see what it looks like when it's all done. Alright guys, we've backed out. That's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I will try to put all the links in the description for you guys so you know exactly what I use to do this type of install. At this time of the video, I want to take the time to actually give a shout out to all the people who support the channel, whether you do a fan subscription on jptheinstallguy.com, sign up to be a Patreon to give a little bit of extra thanks for helping you out through the video, and whether you buy your products from jptheinstallguy.com or you hit those links down there in the description, all of that goes to help and support the channel. So till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, telling you to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.